Yeah, my name is Akash Shukla, your educator at NT. So guys, today we saw SBI Clerk 2021 mains examination result. Some of the candidate got selected, whereas some of the candidate have taken some lesson. The second query student are asking, sir, when will be getting the mail for the document verification? And the third one is what, sir, what about the waiting list? When will be getting the waiting list, first waiting list? So guys, for this purpose, we have to analyze some data first. So talking about SBI Clerk 2020 recruitment, your mains examination result was declared on 24 December 2020, whereas the first waiting list was available on 22nd March 2021. Yes guys, 22 मार्च को आया था और सेकंड वेटिंग लिस्ट आपका आया था 23rd मार्च को एंड थर्ड वेटिंग लिस्ट इज स्टिल टू बी आउट. वेरी सून विल सी द थर्ड वेटिंग लिस्ट ऑफ SBI Clerk 2020 recruitment. And guys, now talking about SBI Clerk 2021 recruitment. So guys, November 17, 2021, that means today we saw the result of SBI Clerk 2020 mains examination result. And we usually see guys, a gap of around 3 months in between the mains examination result and the first waiting list. So obviously we gonna see again around 2 months gap. So we can say that ki your January maximum February you will be getting your first waiting list. And if SBI wants to complete this SBI Clerk 2021 recruitment very fast, at all, in all manner, so guys, we'll see the first waiting list as soon as possible, like in January or Feb max. And guys, yes, within 7 to 10 days you gonna see कि you will be starting getting the mail for the document verification. So guys, keep an eye on your mail ID also. This is what update I wanted to give you. Thank you very much guys.